Sarah Stage is a prominent fitness model and entrepreneur known for her advocacy for health and wellness, particularly for women and mothers. Gaining fame through her social media presence, Stage became a focal point during her pregnancies, showcasing her toned physique and fitness routines, which sparked both admiration and controversy. Born and raised in Los Angeles, Stage's early life was filled with love and support from her family, which she aims to replicate for her children. Before motherhood, she enjoyed a more carefree lifestyle, but the experience of becoming a mother transformed her perspective, instilling a deeper sense of purpose and responsibility in her life. Stage emphasizes the importance of self-love and body positivity, encouraging women to embrace their bodies regardless of societal standards. She has faced body shaming during her pregnancies but uses her platform to combat negativity and promote healthy living. By sharing her fitness tips and experiences, she aims to inspire new mothers to prioritize their health, which she believes benefits both them and their children. In addition to her modeling career, Stage launched a fitness app that offers home workout programs, nutrition guides, and supportive community for users. This initiative reflects her understanding of the challenges many face in maintaining fitness, especially as busy parents. Through her work, Sarah Stage continues to empower women to achieve their fitness goals while celebrating their unique journeys in motherhood.